Chef Knowraa from Spain. Today I'm going to show you how to make some healthy banana oatmeal pancakes. The ingredients that we need are 2 cups of oats, 1 banana, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, honey, and oil. First of all, combine all the ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth.
Allow the batter to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, pour in about a 1/4 cup of batter. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then flip to the second side. Repeat until all the batter is used up. Finally, add your toppings of choice. Like mine, it's blueberry.
Ta-da! It's done! Now you can enjoy your healthy pancakes with some iced peach teas. Don't forget to try. See you later. Bye!